Creating engaging YouTube videos requires more than just charisma and creativity. It demands seamless delivery and an unbroken connection with your audience. This is where the best teleprompters come into play, revolutionizing the way you communicate your ideas and stories. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best teleprompter for YouTube videos you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the TeleprompterPAD iLight Pro 12, the embodiment of perfection in the world of teleprompters. Picture this: the glistening premium professional HD 60/40 beam splitter glass, a marvel of engineering, ensuring a crystal clear reflection while standing tough against scratches with its 4mm thickness. The TeleprompterPAD iLight Pro 12 doesn't just save you time, it gifts you time. Its exclusive angle adjusting system makes framing a breeze, and it's collapsible and ready for adventures. Whether you're holding a smartphone, tablet, or a high-end camera, this teleprompter plays nice with all. It's a sturdy companion, crafted from lightweight aluminum with a micro-textured paint coating for resilience. And let's not forget the remote control that puts you in charge of your presentations. But the icing on the cake? A professional app that's at your fingertips, available on both Apple and Android stores. Need help? The TeleprompterPAD Help Center offers expert guidance. Priced at a mere $178, it's the gateway to elevating your YouTube videos to a new realm of professionalism. Meet the Neewer X12, a teleprompter that's poised to revolutionize your YouTube videos. Ranked as the number 4 best teleprompter, this gem is a game-changer in content creation. Imagine crystal-clear text seamlessly displayed on a high-definition screen, thanks to its cutting-edge beam splitter glass boasting 75% light transmittance. Your script is your lifeline, and with the Neewer X12, it's as vivid as your passion. Navigating your content is a breeze with the upgraded Smart Control. The included RT110 remote control syncs effortlessly with the Neewer teleprompter app, enabling you to pause, speed up, slow down, or turn pages with a single press. It's your script at your fingertips, effortlessly in sync with your flow. Assembly is a cinch, and its collapsible design ensures effortless storage and transport. Crafted from aluminum alloy, this lightweight teleprompter can carry your camera, tablet, microphone, LED lights, and more, securing them for the perfect shot. The Neewer X12's wide compatibility ensures it can accommodate various smartphones and tablets, while the adjustable lens hood caters to diverse camera sizes. Exceptionally user-friendly and priced at $198. Elevate your YouTube game with the Glide Gear TMP100, ranked as the number 3 best teleprompter for YouTube videos. This teleprompter is your ticket to delivering flawless professional presentations with emotion and impact. Crafted with impact-resistant HD glass boasting an incredible 70/30 visible light transmission, it ensures crystal-clear readability, even in challenging lighting conditions. The adjustable light-blocking hood takes performance up a notch, making text legible from up to 10 feet away. With top-notch optics, this teleprompter guarantees stunning clarity under all lighting conditions. Plus, it offers US-based support and all the essential specs, making it a must-have tool for professionals. This teleprompter also features a standard camera mount compatible with various cameras, whether you use a mirrorless or DSLR. It's lightweight yet robust, constructed from 60/61 grade aluminum, known for its durability. And when it's time to pack up, it collapses quickly, ideal for on-the-go professionals. The price? Just $199 for the teleprompter that will transform your presentations into captivating performances. Introducing the Canalhout Classic 12 Teleprompter, your gateway to creating captivating YouTube videos. This teleprompter offers an array of features that will elevate your video quality. The Canalhout teleprompter boasts an impressive shooting angle, adjustable to support focal lengths of 24 millimeters and above. Its professional beam splitter glass reflects text clearly, ensuring your on-screen prompts are never captured by the camera, guaranteeing polished and pro-level production. Durability is key with its all-metal construction, making it sturdy and ready for your YouTube primetime. Plus, it accommodates 12.9-inch tablets or displays, catering to a wide range of recording devices. Included in the package is a protective carry case, remote control, and a free teleprompter app for both iOS and Android. This user-friendly setup empowers you to craft engaging content effortlessly. Priced at just $112, it's a budget-friendly choice for aspiring content creators. Say hello to the Glide Gear 3-in-1 TMP, the ultimate solution for content creators seeking confidence, convenience, and quality without breaking the bank. Priced at just $149, this remarkable teleprompter from Glide Gear empowers YouTubers and filmmakers alike to express themselves with precision. Glide Gear, a dedicated US-based company, has honed its craft over the years, designing gear that stands the test of time. The TMP75 smartphone teleprompter epitomizes their commitment to excellence. It seamlessly pairs with any smartphone, working in harmony with reverse text scripting teleprompter apps. You'll speak directly to your audience, maintaining eye contact and clarity. Whether you're on the move or setting up in a studio, the compact TMP75 accommodates your needs. Even your laptop's camera can become a powerful tool, all thanks to Glide Gear's ingenuity. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.